from the narco.
Hey.
Okay. Look, big guap, big paycheck, ayy. Big label, ayy. Big cups, big serve, ayy. Not make that drink. Wake up, get fresh. Chase paper.
Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Olivia Nita. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I applied my wig. You guys, I don't apply my wig like how I be seeing everybody else do. I just kind of do like the little, the quick and easy. So this is going to be the quick and easy way to apply a closure wig. Originally this wig was in a middle part, but I was like, I need something new to do with this wig because this wig is like a year old, you guys. And as y'all can see, I'm still rocking it. It's still wearable. I got this hair from Nadula. So you guys, go fuck with them because their hair is actually some good hair for it to be from AliExpress. So right now I'm just spraying my Got to Be Glue free spray like right above my hairline because I don't like to put that on my hairline because I don't want it to bring out my edges. And then I actually blow dry it. I don't let it sit. I blow dry it until it gets about like sticky, how y'all see me like touching it now, and then I just put it on there. And you guys, this method lasts me doing this, I be having my wigs on for like the whole day. But I don't sleep in my wigs. Like I take them off, I snatch them off like when I get right when I get to the house and I know I'm not leaving it out no more, I snatch it off. But I have had it to where like I slept in my wig the next day and it still stayed on, like y'all, it didn't slide back or nothing. So it just depends on like the amount of Got to Be Glue spray that you put on there. But I do about like 2 to 3 like coats, like sprays. I let it dry, do another one, let it dry. Sometimes I just like put a good amount on there and then I just blow dry it and make sure like I blow dry it really good and it sticks real good. So right now I'm just grabbing some hairs, trying to do my baby hairs. And you guys, it took me forever to get these baby hairs right. Like I couldn't get them right for nothing, you guys. Like I'm still learning how to like do my baby hairs really good. I'm still learning because baby hairs is not easy to do at all, y'all. I was literally like trying to do my baby hairs for like 15 minutes. Like I even had to, like I couldn't even do my baby hairs in the camera for you guys. Like I had to go do them in the restroom and then come back because they just would not do right. And this, like as you can see, like I'm struggling. Like I started getting frustrated in everything. And I used the the Gorilla Snot to lay down my edges, but you guys, I think I found some new edge control that I like. So I'm not going to tell you guys what it is because I haven't actually just really tried it on myself and just wear it throughout the day to see how much I like it. But once I use it, I try it out, I promise you guys I'm going to put y'all on it. Y'all already know. Yeah, I'm not going to leave y'all hanging, you know. Look at that. And also, you guys, if you're not subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe to my channel, you guys. You guys, my channel is growing. Like, thank you to everybody that already subscribed. Like, y'all don't know how much that means. Like, that means so much. Like, and I actually see my channel growing, so that even pushed me more to like keep going, keep like doing my videos, keep recording. So thank you guys for subscribing. Thank you for just if you even just watching my video and you're not subscribed, thank you for just watching, but make sure you subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe though. You have to subscribe. And then I'm gonna do the side one. And you guys, I really want to try a frontal. Like this was a closure. People thought it was a frontal, but this was a closure. Like I really want a frontal. Y'all, like put down in the comments if y'all think closures or frontals is better. Like, which one do y'all think is better? Because I really want to try a frontal, but I just feel like, well, I don't feel like it. I know it. It just looks like it's like a lot to maintain, which I think I'll be good. But I don't know. I love closures because they're like easy to work with, and like they're just like better to maintain. But I really want to try a frontal. I really just want to see what's the hype. And then you guys, I just put a scarf around my head to hold the edges, and then I just brushed out the hair because the hair is like old, so it was kind of like tangly, and I had wand curled it, so I was like brushing out the wand curls to make it look, you know, like the little deep wave look. I was going for a deep wave look, so I was just brushing out the hair. And you guys, just let me know down in the comments if this video was helpful or if you want a more detailed video. And then, see, look. Tangled. But you guys, really all this hair needed was a good wash. I didn't feel like washing this wig, so I had just made it do what it do. And then I had put some hair wax on my hair to hold down my closure piece, you know, so it won't look all bumpy and bulky. Y'all, that hair wax will save y'all life. Like, y'all need to get some for real. And then that was pretty much it, you guys. I'm just gonna let the rest of the video play, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I hope you guys enjoy watching this video.